Hi, my name is Dave. I'd like to tell you about my recent experience with TekSupportSpy. I recently was forced to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10. I found myself having troubles navigating Windows 10. I know enough to use a computer, but don't consider myself very tech savvy, so as a parent I needed some outside help. My neighbor suggested trying one of the TekSupportSpy workshops. I was delighted to see how different this virtual learning experience was. I found it conversational and not at all judgmental. No one was made to feel inferior with their level of computer knowledge. There were periods of instruction, some practice exercises, and since I was online with the instructor, I received instant feedback on how I was doing. Everyone was learning something together. I encourage anyone, young or old, who would like to learn more about computers to follow my neighbor's advice and sign up for TekSupportSpy Computer Workshop. Give TekSupportSpy a try. You'll thank me later.